Take a look at this beautiful 1971 GMC 1500 Custom V8 that just came into us here at Unique, and man, is this truck gorgeous. Obviously, this is the twin brother to 71 Chevy C10. This is just the GMC version, and this truck has been very nicely restored, as you can see. I do have the hood open a little bit, so we'll get to that in a second. But all the chrome, the bright work, the paint, body panels, everything is very, very straight and nice on this truck. You can get a look down the side. And again, this is a custom, so the custom gives you the extra trim, extra equipment, two-tone paint, etc. This truck was restored, from what I can tell, as the truck was born. It was originally a blue and white truck with all the following equipment: power steering, power brakes, and best of all, factory air conditioning, guys and gals. Awesome, awesome truck. You'll be able to see the underside of this truck as well on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see there how solid the truck is underneath as well. Not only on the top here how good it looks, but the underside also. It was a local owner truck. Gentleman's about an hour away, and he's thinking about letting this one go in order to possibly get himself into a 57 Chevy. He's always wanted one, and so unfortunately this one's got to go for him to do that. So take a look at the inside of this truck. Very, very nicely restored inside as well. Again, with the cut being that it is a custom, you notice the it's got the upgraded door cards. The same pattern is on the seats as well. Get a look, you can see again, very solid, no rust issues that we can find, no Bondo or any of that kind of stuff. Very honest truck. Factory air conditioning right there. 89,000 miles on the odometer. That is believed to be actual miles on the truck. It's got the original AM push button radio she came with. Factory AC controls. The dash pad's in excellent shape. Headliner is good. It does have seat belts in it as well. Now I'll let you listen to it here. Let's get a peek under the hood. As I mentioned, nicely equipped. This original 350 V8 is what it came with. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. You can hear how nicely it just sits and idles. Very smooth. No surprises on this truck. Go back, let's listen to the exhaust. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, and financing is available as well.